going to be doing a quick show of what you should do for your edit. So first, you put in text and you add your sound. Then you put your text in with the sound. You add a photo and you move your photo all the way off to the side, off the page, so it doesn't deload your stuff. Then you add an overlay right here. And then for your animation, you should put fabric wipe. And then for stuff I use, like for transitions you're gonna want to use. Not that. You're gonna want shake, halftone, circle, and blur wipe. And blur wipe. For effects, we're gonna want shake and blur. And then your edit should turn out something like this. Oh, and also all of this stuff, put it to 0.6 seconds unless you're doing like a jumping thing. Put it to the fullest and then you'd switch.